Hi, everyone. I just came across this in the Etsy help section. I thought it was interesting. And there's been a lot of conversation forever about whether you should put a logo in your listing photos or not. I have always put a logo in my listing photos, mainly because I want people to know who the listing belongs to. And then if Etsy doesn't put your shop name under it, it doesn't matter. It's right there in the photo. And people say, oh, don't do it, don't do it. You're not going to get featured. Well, come on. How often do you get featured on Etsy anyway? So this says go ahead and put the logo in your photo. That's the first time I've ever seen that here. Now, I'm not sure if this section is new because the help section was offline for a little while this morning. It's been kind of on and offline. You get the oops page, so they might be redoing it, they might be updating it, I don't know. But this is interesting. It says upload photos that are 1500 pixels wide. And just for context, this is like how to keep people from stealing your pictures online. And people are going to steal them, no matter what you do. But I think it's interesting that Etsy is addressing this. And this also goes counter to the advice that they give about pictures being 2000 pixels. I always upload everything at 1000 pixels wide just because that's big enough. Most people look at things on a mobile device. 1000 is big enough. And Etsy wants people to be able to enlarge things to see details, but 1000 is big enough on mobile. Okay. So this says 1500 and this says put your logo in the picture. So you do what you want to do with your listing photos. I have always thought it's a good idea to put your logo in your picture. I always have done it. I am still featured on Etsy Picks, Editor's Picks, Etsy Choice. It goes out, whatever. It doesn't stop you from being featured. I'm not concerned about it. All right. So I just wanted to point this out because I find it interesting that this is completely opposite what everyone says to do, but it's what I've always done, even smaller for the picture size, and it's always worked. So that's all. Leave me any questions, and I will talk to you guys later.